Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we are going to do some literacy today. That video was amazing. It was all about the AR digraph, or what we call it, R. It's kind of like what a pirate says. So try it, R. You have to squint your eye a bit and get your mouth involved. Ready? R. Okay, you're going to make an R splat page, woohoo, where you're going to put R in the middle and splat the words around the R. Look what Miss Hake did. Yeah. So let's take a wee peek at all the words that I heard that have R in it. Some of them I just knew. Some of them I didn't even need the video for. I got arm, farm, R, star, R, car. Then I thought about that I love to draw. I got art. R, the word are you going to school? Are we going to the park? And then far, that's a far walk. And then arc, shark, All right, how many did I find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm wondering if you can create a word splat of R words. Now, you can make it more colorful or not, and you can also add pictures. So I'm wondering, I could probably draw a star pretty well. There it is. And a car. Maybe I'll make my car red. Meet. Whoop. Wait, it'll look more like a car when I put the wheels on, I promise. There it is. And art. Ooh, maybe I can draw a picture frame. And inside my picture frame, I can draw a flower because I usually like to go and paint flowers. I think I'll make my flower purple. Can I draw a shark? Oh, I'll try. Okay, there's its big mouth. Oh, this looks more like a lobster, but that's okay. Miss Hake tried. There's my shark. Farm, I could probably draw some animals. So you get the picture. You're going to make a word splat of our words and maybe some pictures. Yeah, have fun. Far. How am I going to draw far and farm? I wonder. All right, have a good time brainstorming your words and making your word splat. I will see you soon. Bye.